Run dual operating system on your computer. Dual boot your computer with Windows 7 alongside Ubuntu 18.04. First, we required Ubuntu 18.04 ISO file. Open your browser and search Ubuntu 18.04 ISO. Click on the official link and download 64-bit desktop image. The file size is approx 2 GB. Download link is given in description. Now we required another software that is called Universal USB Installer. Search Universal USB Installer. Click on first link and click on download UUI. Now insert a blank pen drive. The memory size of pen drive must be more than 4 GB. Run Universal USB Installer as administration. Click on agree. Now select Ubuntu in first block because we are making Ubuntu bootable device. In second block, select ISO of Ubuntu which you downloaded. In third block, select your USB device. Click on NTFS format and click on create. Now wait until the process is complete. It takes so much time, approx more than half an hour. This process make your pen drive as Ubuntu bootable device. I already tell you that this takes so much time. Kindly wait and complete this process without turning off your computer. Once the process is completed, your pen drive will be a bootable device. Now your process is completed. Click on close button. Now the most important thing, create a free space for your Ubuntu partition. Click on my computer, select manage and click it. Now click on disk management. We create a partition in logical drive. Here my C drive and D drive are logical drive. You can find your logical drive by their upper given color. Here my C and D is a logical drive. We can create a logical partition and 3 primary partition in our hard disk. So we creating a free space here. I shrinking my D drive and create a free space of approx 60 GB. Here I am typing 62,000 MB. I think it is approx or more than 60 GB. Now a free space is created of 60 GB. When this all three process are completed, then simply restart your computer. While your computer is restarting, press F11 button to open boot menu. Here I am clicked on restart. So when your computer is restarting, press F11 button. Here our boot menu is appeared. Now select your USB drive. I inserted my SanDisk pen drive, so I am selected it. Now this window will be opened. Click on the first option. It take some loading. Our Ubuntu installation process is starting. So kindly request you guys keep patience and wait. Now this window will appear. Click on the install Ubuntu 18.04. Select language and click on continue. Select keyboard layout. Click on continue. Normal installation. Click continue. Here it asking for some permissions. Click on yes. Now the four options are given. Select install Ubuntu alongside Windows 7. It directly install Ubuntu in a free space which we are created earlier. It is a very easy trick so that you cannot face any problem during partition selection. Click on install now. Press continue. Select the time zone and here some information are required to enter. Type your name or your computer name and type password for your Ubuntu operating system. Must remember your password. Press continue. Now our installation process is started. It also take some time, approx half an hour to 1 hour. So friends, during this process, please don't turn off your computer. If you turn off your computer during this process, you may get some problem during the booting time. When your process is completed, then click on restart now option. Now your operating system will reset. Your boot menu will be appeared here. This is the Ubuntu operating systems group. The first one is your Ubuntu operating system and the last one is Windows 7. Here click on Ubuntu operating system. Now we are seeing here that our Ubuntu operating system is booting now. Type your password which you entered during the installation process. Here our Ubuntu 18.04 will be opened successfully. Let's see how to open Windows 7. Restart your computer. Here press on restart. When your computer is restarted, it will again appear a boot menu of Ubuntu, that is group. Now go to the last option of your menu. This is our Windows 7. Press on it. Our Windows is starting here. So guys, we successfully booted our computer in dual operating system, that is Windows 7 and Ubuntu 18.04. Please like, subscribe and share. If you have any questions, then ask in comment.